We're back. We're fixing to put a window in that wall right over there. Yep, that one. This is what it's going to go in right here. There's the window. It's 24 by 24 slider. So it's going to go in the water closet behind the toilet up above. So I've cut my boards here. I've got it laid out. I'm getting ready to screw it all together. I'm going to stand it up there and mark those two studs and cut them out and then stand that up into place. Go outside and take some siding off and get ready to put the window in. But before I do that, I may come right back here behind me, right there, and do it again. Because that window is going away. And there's going to be a medicine cabinet behind it that comes to right about there. And then there's going to be a window right here, a 2x2. So that is the plan. That's what I'm working on today. So I'm going to go find a drill and some screws and zip this together and stand it up and cut those boards. And I think when I get this one stood up, I'm going to come over here and do the same thing and then go outside and do all the outside stuff at the same time, which I may go ahead and take this window out while we're doing it and block it in and then seal it off and open these others up.
That's the plan.
Cut! We bought some of the sorriest 2x6s in Miller County today. So, anybody else buying 2x6s today, you're welcome. We got 10 of the worst ones there was out of the way for you.
It was actually 10 of the better ones.
It was the 10 best ones out of 49 that the place had. Every one of them looked like that right there that we bought. And the ones we bought are fairly straight, but every one of them's like that. So,
Not the greatest.
not the greatest at all. And I think we paid about the same price for these as we did the ones we bought last weekend at the other store.
Which are the ones that are laying there beside
Yeah, these. But we just take what we can get.
and be thankful.
Yep. Oh, it's hitting right there. It's already touching. It's all the way in down there.
Okay, these at the top.
It's in at the top. It's just out a little here, so probably need to run some screws in there and pull these back to me because that wall is soft,
Pushing out.
spongy there.
Okay, yeah.
So anyway,
Okay.
yeah. There should be. That is level, so that's what we want after. And that shows level. I think we'll just get this window out of here and go ahead and put some studs in here to make them line up where they're supposed to. Might just take one by the looks of it.
Yep.
Maybe one back in here, I don't know. Anyway, I'll do that and I'll get a board cut and put on the outside of it. Then I'll pull this off and get it all framed out to put up like we did on that one. And I still got to straighten that top board up and screw it in. It needed trimmed. Anyway, we'll build another one and put it right here. And then I'll go outside and deal with the siding. But I may put a piece of plywood on this when I put it in. That hole will be plugged.
Mm-hmm.
That's the plan. There she be.
Yay.
Buzz it over to this one.
You've been framed.
Yeah. Probably wasn't hard. Probably wasn't. So, I need to find a board to put there, don't I?
Yeah. Yeah. Just the right size.
Yeah. Just right.
Yay!
Window has been removed.
Joseph. How about let me put this down and help you? Let me put it down.
I got it.
Let me put this down. You got it.
There.
There you go. Sure will. Here's your paper.
Yep. Please. Thank you. Thank you, Spanky. This is gonna look so good.
Yeah, right. Uh-huh.
Kind of like wrapping a birthday
I know. I was just gonna say, I hope you don't take that out and give it to me for my birthday. You didn't. Good. Whoa! Whew. Whoa! Oh my. Whoa.
We don't have any kind of spray for that.
No, we
either, I
don't. Nastiness.
think. It was a pretty sorry job.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do a sorry job too, probably.
I was going to say, if we keep this place, we're probably going to put different siding on it.
Yeah.
We don't like vinyl siding because of issues like that. But if we,
That's a whole nother project.
yeah, we wouldn't get to it for a long time. So we're going to try to seal it back up for now.
Heidi ho, neighbor.
Heidi ho.
There. That wrapped it up in here. My lands. No comparison.
Well, this is what it looks like with the windows cut out before they're installed. So much brighter in here. Yay. They look nice.
Oh yeah, you got room to
Yay.
do whatever. Yep, we're good.
A little bit of wiggle room.
Yep. I'm gonna put a whole lot of caulk on it. We'll tape the top again after the window's in. That won't be too bad. Get a screw ready, raise it up into place.
This guy's putting in the next window.
Window dose.
Yeah. And here's Uno. We're gonna check it out, make sure it does all the things it's supposed to do.
There's window things.
It does window things, and it does do window things. That's cool.
I think you got the caulking gun in there.
Oh, yep. Got the caulking gun in here. It's spewing out, but that's okay.
That's it. We don't care.
We don't care. Looks good. We got tape blowing away.
There it went.
There you go. Yeah. It's bright and white, but
Yep, that's all right.
so were the other ones when we put them in.
Huh?
I said so were the other ones when we put those other two in. They
Yeah.
seemed awful bright.
Yep. There she be.
Okay.
Now what you done?
Needs a bath now, but
Badly.
we're not going to do that today. It does need a bath.
Alrighty, we got our windows back in and we kind of pieced the siding back together on it. We're gonna, of course we've got those windows to replace still yet. And the one on the end on this side and then several more around back. But anyhow, that's got the master bath taken care of and the water closet. And got it back together. So we're gonna call it a day. We've got our mess picked up out here. It's kind of warm, a little windy, but we're gonna call it a day. Appreciate you coming along, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.